3, 2, 1, lift off. This episode of Master Designs was filmed for your social entertainment and filmed in front of a live studio audience. Alright everyone, tonight we're going to draw Omni naut's humungosaur from Ben 10 versus the Universe, the movie. For your information, Omni naut humungosaur is one of the movie exclusive aliens for the Ben 10 movie that came out last year. So blast off into outer space! Let's blast! So to get started, we start with the head. As you can see, it has this it has the Omnitrix mark on his skull. Anyways, next thing we gotta do, we gotta draw the neck. Omni naut humungosaur showed up when this guy was on the Incursion warship. He made a second appeal, well, 3 appeals. One time when he was fighting in the Null Void, and the third time was when he fought against Alien V, when he was helping Bashmouth defeat him. Alright, anyways, there's his head. Now we draw his claw. There we go, there's his large claw. He looks like a rigger. There's his thumb. Now here's his Omnitrix mark. When it shines bright green, that means he's in full Omni naut mode. It's like the next level of Omnikick's armor. If you ask me, definitely worth a shot. Alright, now we draw his fist. Now here's his fist. Now here's his thumb. Now here's his thighs. Be sure to draw 2 lines on each side. Now we draw the legs. These are the gravity shoes. Reminder, do not pull on the gravity plug. If you ask me, another thing about Humungosaur is that this guy has the ability to fly. Let's not forget his Ankylosaur-related club, which is also a ripoff to Ultimate Humungosaur. Seriously, they literally ripped off Humungosaur. Its ultimate form. And done. And there he is. Omni Naut Humungosaur. I can't wait to see what other new forms the Omni Naut transformation has. I've wanted to draw this my whole life, and now it's finally came. Forgot this extra spike. And there we go. That's how you draw Omni Naut Humungosaur. I'm glad you all enjoyed this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe, and let me know what interesting character you want me to draw next. Alexa, what is an astronaut?
According to Wikipedia, an astronaut is a person trained, equipped, and deployed by a human spaceflight program to serve as a commander with